The securities offered by the company consisted of Class A units consisting of an aggregate of 9,140,000 shares of our common stock and warrants to purchase an aggregate of 9,140,000 shares of common stock, at a public offering price of $1 per Class A unit, and Class B units consisting of 8,860 shares of our Series B convertible preferred stock, with a stated value of $1,000, and convertible into an aggregate of 8,860,000 shares of common stock, and warrants to purchase an aggregate of 18 million shares of common stock, at a public offering price of $1,000 per Class B unit. The warrants have an exercise price of $1.10, will be exercisable upon issuance and will expire 5 years from the date of issuance. The company has granted the underwriters a 45-day option to purchase an additional 2,700,000 shares of common stock and/or warrants to purchase an additional 2,700,000 shares of common stock. In connection with the closing of this offering, the underwriters have partially exercised their over-allotment option and purchased an additional 2,700 warrants. The underwriters have retained the right to exercise the balance of their over-allotment option within the 45-day time period. The company intends to use the net proceeds from the offering to fund its research and development activities and for working capital and general corporate purposes. ThinkEquity, a division of Fordham Financial Management, Inc., acted as sole book-running manager for the offering. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) declared effective a registration statement on Form S-1 relating to these securities on June 7, 2018. A final prospectus relating to this offering has been filed with the SEC on June 11, 2018. The offering is being made only by means of a prospectus. Copies of the prospectus relating to the offering may be obtained by contacting ThinkEquity, 17 State Street, 22nd floor, New York, 10004, telephone 646-968-9355, email, prospectus@think-equity.com. Investors may also obtain these documents at no cost by visiting the SEC's website at http://www.sec.gov. This press release shall not constitute an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy any of the securities described herein, nor shall there be any sale of these securities in any state or jurisdiction in which such offer, solicitation or sale would be unlawful prior to registration or qualification under the securities laws of any such state or jurisdiction. About Trovagene, Inc. Trovagene is a clinical-stage, oncology therapeutics company. The company's primary focus is to develop oncology therapeutics for the treatment of hematologic and solid tumor cancers for improved cancer care, utilizing its technology in tumor genomics. Trovagene has intellectual property and proprietary technology that enables the company to analyze circulating tumor DNA, ctDNA, and clinically actionable markers to identify patients most likely to respond to specific cancer therapies. Trovagene plans to continue to vertically integrate its tumor genomics technology with the development of targeted cancer therapeutics. For more information, please visit https://www.trovagene.com. Forward-looking statements. Certain statements in this press release are forward-looking within the meaning of the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. These statements may be identified by the use of words such as anticipate, believe, forecast, estimated, and intend, or other similar terms or expressions that concern Trovagene's expectations, strategy, plans or intentions. These forward-looking statements are based on Trovagene's current expectations and actual results could differ materially. There are a number of factors that could cause actual events to differ materially from those indicated by such forward-looking statements. These factors include, but are not limited to, our need for additional financing, our ability to continue as a going concern, clinical trials involve a lengthy and expensive process with an uncertain outcome, and results of earlier studies and trials may not be predictive of future trial results, our clinical trials may be suspended or discontinued due to unexpected side effects or other safety risks that could preclude approval of our product. candidates, uncertainties of government or third-party payer reimbursement, dependence on key personnel, limited experience in marketing and sales, substantial competition, uncertainties of patent protection and litigation, dependence upon third parties, our ability to develop tests, kits and systems, and the success of those products, regulatory, financial and business risks related to our international expansion and risks related to failure to obtain FDA clearances or approvals in non-compliance with FDA regulations. There are no guarantees that any of our technology or products will be utilized or proved to be commercially successful, or that Trovagene's strategy to design its liquid biopsy tests to report on clinically actionable cancer genes will ultimately be successful or result in better reimbursement outcomes. Additionally, there are no guarantees that future clinical trials will be completed or successful, or that any precision medicine therapeutics will receive regulatory approval for any indication or prove to be commercially successful. Investors should read the risk factors set forth in Trovagene's Form 10-K for the year ended December 31, 2017, and other periodic reports filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. While the list of factors presented here is considered representative, no such list should be considered to be a complete statement of all potential risks and uncertainties. Unlisted factors may present significant additional obstacles to the realization of forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements included herein are made as of the date hereof, and Trovagene does not undertake any obligation to update publicly such statements to reflect subsequent events or circumstances. Trovagene. Contact Vicky Kellerman, VP, Corporate Communications, 858-952-7652. Vicky Kellerman at Trovagene.com. View original content with multimedia. http://www.prenewswire.com/news-releases/Trovagene-ink-announces-closing-of-18-million-public-offering-300605021.html. Source Trovagene, Inc. Related links http://www.trovagene.com